Hi guys, it's Miss Rowe, and as you can tell today, I'm pretending to be a mad scientist. Have you ever seen a volcano? Well, I made one today. I'm gonna make it erupt. That means explode. So first, I need my goggles. Don't want anything in my eyes. First, I'm gonna take a little bit of vinegar. And I got some Jell-O. I need 4 scoops of that, so count with me. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Done with that. And the last thing I need that will make it explode is baking soda. So we need just a little bit of that. Get ready, it's gonna explode. Ah! There it goes! Hope you liked the experiment. Can't wait to see you guys soon.